Okay, you can hear some background noise. It's heavily raining, so I am trying to speak louder as I can, and you need to focus your question and my queries. So let's go. This is the question set 22. So what we got in question set 22. So we are coming to first question, and we discuss first question, and let's do the query. So find the details of the student who participated in a single subject in the examination held on 2020 and March 15. Okay, now we need to find the specify subject and specify examination date, and we need to find the all student details using these two conditions. And we have single subject. This is the condition, and we have exam date also. There is another condition. Okay. Uh, Now we need to find the student details. So let's find out. All right. Now we are going to query space. Uh, all right. Now this is my past query. I will delete it. So if you didn't watch my previous video, you can get a bunch of knowledge from that video about sub queries and join queries. So go and check it out after this. After this or before this, you can try it out. And now let's focus on this question. So now we want to get the single language and literature subject. It is a condition, and now we have another condition: exam held in 2020 March 15. Okay. Uh, Now we have those conditions. We want to find the details of the students. Okay. Now let's go. We want to. Oh, okay. I need all the student details. So index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, class name, and now I need subject name also. So I need to connect subject table on that and subject name. I think you can clearly hear me. So, and also we need to get the marks. The student exam mark record dot mark. Yeah, we need to get all these things, and also we need to get exam date. Exam term table dot exam date. Okay, these are details, so we want to search them from student table, and I don't need that, so I'm just a little bit okay. Now you can see. All right, now I need to inner join. Now I need to use join because my purpose is to teach you what is the join keyword. So today video is all about join keyword. We are using join keyword for all of these questions, all of these four questions. All right. So I'm just starting. You must focus. So we are using this inner join. So you can see inner join. So this is the keyword we are using today. So we are joining tables today. We don't use subqueries much. So we need to join queries using this join keyword. So this is the purpose is to teach you what is the join keyword. So I'm using join keyword then. So I need to join class table to student table. So I use inner join class and use on keyword on the student table. Previously I told you what is the meaning of this. So I want to get the class table onto student table. I want to get the class table onto student table. So that is the meaning of this keyword. So I'm joining class table onto student table. So now they are same table. So not a separate table. We join that table together, and now it's the same table. All right. Now you can understand it, student. And yeah, okay. My recording is okay. Mic is okay. Let me. All right. Everything is fine. So student, I need to get the class ID because it's the foreign key. So now class suggestions. Okay, class ID. And again, I need inner join. What I need to join? I need to join student mark table. The student marks exam records. So student exam mark record on a student table, and now I need to get index number. Index number equals to what? Student exam mark record dot index number. Okay. Now I need another inner join, and I need to connect subject table. Subject on okay, and subject ID. Right. And okay, and subject ID. Yeah. So now I need to join a term table. So use inner join. Okay. Exam term. Exam term on exam term also. Exam term. Uh, term ID. Term ID. And student mark record. Exam ID. Okay. Where I want to get the table, I want to get from subject table. So subject dot subject name, and subject name equals to single language and okay, and use AND operation. All right, guys. Sorry for the weird cut. I have incoming call. Yeah. Where are we talking? Yeah. All right. Subject. Okay. Now I connect the subject table, and I also connect the all tables. Now I need to get the conditions. So I get one condition, single language and literature, and now I need to connect the this exam date. All right. So and I use and exam term exam date equals to let's get the date from there. Please be work. Please work. Please. Okay. Yeah, good. 250. Good. Now, yeah, this is the query. So now I need to find the details of the student who participated in a single subject in the examination held on 2020 March 15. All right. Let's execute the query. Let me identify. Yeah, all are okay. Yeah, I don't see any issues. So let me. All right. Now you can see my query. So I'm just get this. Okay. Okay. Now let's execute it. So we can have these peoples, these students with this query who face single language and literature on this exam on this date, exam date, 2020 March 15th. All right, Dylan Vijayawardhan, Amanda Moses, Sachitra Vikramasinghe. Yeah, can get it. Okay, I show you the answer. So this is the answer. You can see it. Can get the screenshot if you want it. And this is the query. So this is the query. This is the whole query for first answer, first question. All right. Now I think time is okay. So all right, we are going to second question. So we need to get the Sandun Vijayaratna's details. Sandun Vijayaratna, find out the marks of examination in which the student appeared on 2020 March 15. So let's see, is there Sandun Vijayaratna? Yeah, there's Sandun Vijayaratna. Okay. So yeah, the date of examination, the term, the number of admission, the name and the name of the subject. So we need to find those details of Sandhu Vijayaratna. That means we want to get all details of Sandun Vijayaratne. So let's get that. All right, now we have specify student and specify exam term, exam date. All right, we don't have any particular subject name. We want to get all details. So subject name, I don't need to change these things. So I only need to change this where clause only. So where I need to get student first name is equal to Sun Sandun. Yeah, that's correct. We are writing different. Sandun. Okay. And also need to get last name. So need to copy that and use AND operation and paste on there. And last name. Now we want last name. Last name is Vijay Ratna. J Rat. Okay, I write like that. Okay. Uh, Exam date is all same and conditions are all same. We need to get all details of this student. So all right. And I use inner join. You can see class to join class table, mark exam mark table, student table, and exam table. I use inner join to join those tables to student table. All right. Execute that. Uh, yeah, we have column headers. So why is that not working? Let's see. We have index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, class name, student, subject name, and also mark exam date. Okay, from student, inner join class, and I inner join mark table and student table, inner join exam term table. All are okay. Why is that not working? Um, yeah. Give me 1 second. I will fix that. Guys, I did nothing. I didn't find any issues, and I refresh that and run the query again, and it works. I don't know. Some kind of bugs, I think. All right. Now we have this thing. Okay. Now you can clearly see we get the index number, first name, last name, gender, and contact number, class, subject. We got all subjects. So subject doesn't mention it. So we get these three subject results. So he has mathematics, solo. So no, not good. 85 good marks for science. 17.6 really good marks for single language. Okay, good. He gets Sandu Nijaratna marks. Okay. So this is the query. You can see the whole query, and this is the answer. Yeah, I will give you some seconds to get the screenshot. Okay, I think that's enough. So I have 1 hour and 28 minutes. I need to be hurry. Find the name, subject, marks, term of examination, date of examination of the student who obtained between 40 and 70 marks. So we need to get 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2020 7th month and 10th. Now we have conditions. So we have examination date. So we need to get the between 40 and 70 marks. Subject is mathematics. So need to get the name, subject, mark, terms of examination, date of examination. We need to get that get these things on one table. Let's go. Let's get that. All right. I wanna. I need to get index number, first name, last name. I need gender. Um, okay, I don't need gender. Gender. Contact number, I don't need it. Class name, subject name, and also exam mark, exam date. We want that. From student table, we want to, okay, we want to get those things. So and also we want to connect these tables using inner join. So we are using inner join for all questions in this question set. So inner join, I need to join class table onto student table using inner join, and using inner join I need to connect exam mark record table onto student table, index number, yeah, okay, and also subject table I join that, term table I join that. Now I need to now I have a specified subject, so I need to get the subject table. So where subject dot subject name, subject name equals to mathematics, yeah, get the mathematics, paste it, okay. And now we have new things to learn. So and we have another condition, so we are using AND operation, and now we want to get the student exam mark record, but we don't have any exact marks, so we have marks between 40 and 70. So now we need to connect on mark column, and mark column is equal to, we don't use equal sign, so between, we use between keyword. So you can see the new keyword between 40 and 7. All right, need to check my recording. Recorder is stopped suddenly, so I need to check that. All right, it's good. 70. Okay, now you can see we use between keyword, so that is new. So and we need to get the 27 10. Okay, get that. 7 10. Okay, good. So okay, this is the query, and let's see, we can have result. So execute the query. I don't think any issues on there. Okay, no issues. So we can have index numbers. First name Sanduni Vijayaratna 11 mathematics. Okay, 44.12. Okay, bad. Sachit Vikramasinghe bad. Good. Yeah, Kasan Rajavanshi. Okay. Now you can see we get that. So these are the answers. This is the query. I give you some time to get the screenshot. All right. I think time is enough. Let's go. Let's go to final question. My battery life is not good. Oh my god, it's oh. Let's go. Who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the subjects? All right. So we need to find the all subjects. So we don't have any specified subjects, and we don't have any specified student or exam date. We need to get the first term highest scoring mark. Highest scoring mark student. So now we have answer. Now this is the query. This is the answer. So now I'm going to another one. All right. Now I'm going to write the query. We want to get a one name, so we need to uh, get a student. So student, highest scoring student. So now yeah, I need these things. So we can also customize this query. We don't need to delete that. So select student index number. I want index number, first name, last name. I need class name. and subject name, marks, exam date also. I want these details from the student table. Okay. And I want to inner join class, exam mark records, and subject, and inner join exam term. All right. Now we inner join that. Now we can assert some details from mark table and term table using subqueries. So we are using join queries now, but we can also find that using subquery, because I already used join queries for that. So now I can freely use subqueries. So in uh, I want to select highest score. So select max and brackets student exam record and mark in from student exam record where student exam record dot exam term ID in uh, but I can't see okay select term term ID, and now need to get from and term where exam term I need first term now. I need first term highest scoring student. So we use two brackets, two start brackets. Remember that. So we need to close. Okay, let's close that. I don't need to get any errors now. Okay, first term. All right. So now this is my query. So you can see it. We get these details and join these tables with the student table. And now I want to get the highest score using subqueries. So I get the highest score using max keyword into the student exam mark record table. And also I want to, I have a specified particular first term. I mean, I have a specified term. So first term, and now I connect the term table and search first term. All right, let's execute that. Now this is my query and this is the answer. So we can get, we need, what I did, I need a student index number. All right. So we have index number and first name, last name. So Amanda Moses is the highest scoring student in first term. Winner. Yay, clap. Okay, Amanda Moses. All right, given a trophy. Good. So Amanda Moses. Class is 11A. Subject name is English language and literature. Marks 100 marks. Okay, no clue. Let's go. 100 marks. Okay. Exam date. Okay. So this is the query. Date. Okay, this is the query, and this is the answer. You can get a screenshot if you want. I will give you some time. So, all right. So now you can try your own way. You can now you I think you already installed IDSQL or MySQL software. We can also do this thing using MySQL software. So it is so same. We can open the query tab using query using query option. So if I show you that this is the query option. So we can use this to open new tab, and we can code that. Okay, very good. We all do that for question. So now I have to end the video quickly. So my computer battery is so low. So I will catch you guys in my next video. So I think you can understand these all queries. If you don't, you can comment me below what you don't understand. I will explain you a little bit. So Alright guys, catch you in my next video. Peace.